Okay, thank you for tuning in to the Force Production Powerlifting channel, and of course my channel is all about powerlifting. But powerlifting is so much more than just lifting the weights. You have to do everything right along with doing everything right in the gym. So what I have here is purified water that I bought from a store that specializes in just making water. And this is pure distilled water at a pH of 9, which is a little bit more alkaline. 7 is a neutral pH. I guess we're supposed to be, the water in our body is supposed to be a little bit above a pH of 7, so that our organs and blood vessels and tissues don't take so much damage, and that can't be such a bad thing, right? But here I'm going to show you my kidney cleanse that I like to go through, and I've learned this from watching Cole Robinson's snake diet on YouTube. So I'm going to show you what I have done, what I'm getting ready to do here. In here I have a quarter. I take 2 of these because this is a quarter of a teaspoon. So a quarter and a quarter makes a half, and I take one teaspoon, or a half a teaspoon of my Red Mill pure organic baking soda, and I have that here in the glass. See it shaking around down there? And I will add to this 1 tablespoon, or 2 tablespoons, sorry. So a half a teaspoon of the baking soda, and I use 2 tablespoons of this. That has the mother in the bottom. See, I've shaken it up, but I have a new one over here. And you can see in the bottom, the mother is that sediment. That's at the bottom. See, so watch when I shake it up. Watch when I shake it up. See all that sediment that's in the bottom? Now watch when I shake it up. That's called the mother. All that sediment. That's the good stuff. And see how it's gone? Now it's mixed up in the apple cider vinegar. So two tablespoons. All right, mix it up. Wait for the fizz to disappear. For the fizz to disappear there. All right, good enough for me. And down the hatch.